You can spend thousands of dollars on a renovation. How do you avoid making expensive mistakes in your living areas? Let's talk. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Click the subscribe button for more bite-sized decor tips. If you have a renovation story that you'd like to share, leave me a comment below. Kitchens and baths get lots of attention in the remodeling world. But what kind of mistakes can happen when you're remodeling a living room, dining room, family room, or bedroom? I thought this was a decorating show. Now we're remodeling? Conventional wisdom says that bigger living spaces are better. So just knock down some more of your walls and life will be great. Yes? Maybe. The spaces that you create need to be usable in the end. Here are some tips to keep in mind when you're renovating. Number 1. Avoid creating traffic jams. I know I talk about foot traffic all the time, but that's because it's important and it's often ignored. If you're creating a room for seating, don't crisscross it with traffic from other rooms. Whenever you can, reorganize your doorways so that your foot traffic flows naturally around your seating areas. The open plan era in housing suggests that hallways are a waste of space. But you're going to use that space for foot traffic anyway. A hallway can make the separation more organized. Number 2, bigger rooms are not necessarily better. A room with a large floor area but low ceilings can appear out of proportion and, as a result, a little awkward. Visual proportion can be affected by many things, but here's a general guideline. If both the length and width of your room are 2.5 times its height, it might be a red flag that you should address. Also, if you're considering combining rooms, have a look at the windows in each room. Will they be a hodgepodge of shapes and heights when the rooms are combined? Ideally, the windows in any space are identical and symmetrical, unless you have a picture window that's centered. If you do have to adjust windows for the interior, then you may need to have a look at the exterior of your home as well. Number 3, large blank walls can be a turnoff. This great wall effect can do exactly what you don't want it to do. Call attention to the wall that confines the space. Consider how you might break up the large wall visually. You can do that architecturally with bump outs and niches, or it can be done with built-in shelves, or with furniture and art that's large enough to add dimension and distract from the wall. Number 4, avoid amoebic rooms that don't define clear areas for furniture groupings. Oddly shaped spaces are much more difficult to decorate than square or rectangular ones. One unfortunate renovation that I saw opened up a rectangular living room to an adjacent back hallway. The room was larger, but it didn't have any more usable space, and it lost symmetry in the process. Number 5, consider where your furniture will go. Do you know where the bed will go in the bedroom? Is there a wall to put the headboard on? If you have large armoires, bookshelves, or hutches, will they have a place to live if you knock down your walls? Go see the minimalists. They'll tell you to chuck the armoire and everything in it. If you intend to have lamps adjacent to your seating in the middle of your room, consider putting an electrical outlet in the floor for convenient power. Supposing your renovation has one or more of these red flags, what do you do? If you can draw a scale plan or use an online planner like roomstyler.com, you can literally picture how the renovation will turn out. You could also hire an architect or interior designer for a few hours of their time to have a look at your plans and give you an opinion on your concept. Pre-planning can point out issues that you may not find out otherwise until after construction has started. So how have you approached renovations in the past? And did you like the results? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.